Because there's a tourism boom going on right now, there's so much support, and I feel that the government is pushing for development to be done. Doesn't mean that developments don't fall apart. I think the developments that do fall apart are people that are not hands-on. To be 100% honest, it's people that are just dumping money in from overseas and they're just not paying attention. They're not understanding. You really, if you want something to succeed, you need to walk on the ground. You need to have boots on the ground. You need to understand the culture. You need to understand the timelines and the schedules and the budget, the material costs, the logistics of getting them to the work site. All those things are so important. Yeah, they're so important.
And then only you know that when you're there, right?
Correct.
You have to just
you're only
have
gonna
to
know
be
that.
there physically.
Yeah,
Sometimes.
you can't just say, oh, I'm going to send all this money to Panama and hopefully I'll be a millionaire in 5 years. No, you have to go do the work.
Monitor, check the compliance. Check if it's
Correct.
done.
Yeah, understand the laws and regulations. That was a really big challenge for me originally when I first left from Chicago to Panama, because in Chicago, I stay on top of like code violations and rules and regulations and certifications.
Everything's online, right?
Everything's online, and certifications. You know, you have to be certified in this and get your regulations, and you know, you have all your degrees on the wall, and it's like, yes, I'm this certified. But then you go to Panama, and it's like, well, I'm not exactly sure what the rules are here and what the laws are. And then you see that some things are more relaxed and other things are very strict.